Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to take a look at the Casio A100WE. So this is a very retro looking Casio watch. As you can see, we have the classic cardboard box. Here we have Casio vintage since 1974. Then if we open it up, you can see that we have the Casio logo here once again, the watch, and right there we also have the watch manual. I will leave a link in the description box below once I have the full guide with all the functions and features in case you want to check it out, as well as a video for the battery replacement. And here we have the watch. Let's have a look. Oh, so this is really interesting. As you can see, a very retro and unusual look. This is a very different Casio watch compared to everything that I have so far. So we have a very simple packaging. As you can see, the sticker here with the exact model and also the module. This is going to be the movement. So let's have a look right here. I'm going to peel it off. So the sticker right here, just like that. And I really like this model. Something that I can see right off the bat is that we have some different writing here compared to regular Casio watches, as well as the 4 buttons right here have no names on it. So I don't know which one is the mode, most likely this one. Yes. But I will try to figure that out. And now let's talk about the specs of this particular model. So when it comes to the specs, we have a case height of 40.7 millimeters. So this is going to be quite big compared to other smaller Casio watches. Then we have a case width of 32.7 millimeters. And then we have the case thickness of 9.2 millimeters. When it comes to the weight, this is going to weigh only 53 grams. It is really light, and also this strap, this leather strap, genuine leather as they call it, doesn't feel very high quality, so it is quite light. Then when it comes to the display, we have resin, so that is going to be very easy to read, and also it's going to be very easy to polish. We also have the resin case, so this is not going to be stainless steel, it is going to be resin, and it is going to be chrome plated. So we have this color that maybe in 10, 20, 30 years it is going to peel a little. And then we have the stainless steel back. Here on the back we can see the model once again, and then something really cool, now I understand, we have the buttons right here. So we have mode, reset, start, and light. So in case you want to know the exact buttons, you will be able to look on the back. And as you can see, water resistant, stainless steel back, made in China. When it comes to the battery, this is going to operate with the CR1616, which is going to give you around 3 years of lifetime. When it comes to the functions, you can scroll and see that we have the alarm, the stopwatch, then the setting of time and date. Something really cool is that this is going to have an auto calendar, and it is going to have 28 days for February. So you can set the time, the date, PM or AM, and then you are going to be good to go. So that is something really cool. And this is how the bad boy looks on the wrist. Really retro looking. I really like the 4 buttons, and very cool and interesting that you do not have any other writing. It gives you that little bit of a mystery. The strap is quite decent, given the fact that initially I would have said that this is going to be a very low quality strap. It actually feels really good and sturdy, so it is going to be quite strong. Do not imagine that you have a premium leather strap, but it is going to get the job done, and I believe it is going to last a little. We have a simple buckle, as you can see, the 2 loops right here. For reference, I have a wrist size of 165 millimeters or 6.5 inches, and as you can see, this watch looks very good. I'm also going to take it off. And as you can see, there are no major signs of breaking or something like that that you would see on very bad and cheap straps. So I can say that it feels really interesting, very light, maybe something in between the regular high premium leather strap and the resin straps that they usually have. So that's something really cool. Once again, remember that the case is resin, although it looks stainless steel. This is going to be the case for the A100WH as well. So guys, that was the quick unboxing of the Casio A100WEL. Once again, I'm going to leave a link once I have the full guide with all the functions and features. So how to set the time, the date, how to use the calculator and the alarm, also how to replace the watch battery. And I'm also going to make a follow-up video giving you my thoughts about this watch once I wear it a little, because I must say that I'm really impressed. This is going to be a very attractive watch because I'm pretty sure not many people out there are going to actually wear this watch. So it is going to be a very good conversation piece. In case you own this watch, or if you would like to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, please make sure to do so. In case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and you found value from this video, guys, make sure to be subscribed. It really helps the channel grow. And also check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Subscribe, guys, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.